Let's see the important news headlines of this week. Starting with some of the school news. Due to traffic congestion in the auspicious month of Sawan, the school will remain closed on every Monday and open on every Sunday. Second, the Unit Test 1 examination of all the classes ended on 30th of July. Now some of the CBSE related news. CBSE launches entrepreneurship competition for school students, a Youth Ideathon 2024. Address inherent flaws disparities in NEET. Now some of the national news. 13 cases of Zika virus infection till July 22 this year, said Rajya Sabha member Anupriya Patel. No rethinking on the supporting Chinese investment in India, said Piyush Goyal. Now some of the international news. Imran Khan approaches 80 seeks bail in 12 terrorism cases linked to May 19 riots. Second, Kamala Harris, Vice President race narrow with Cooper, Whitmer out. Now some of the entertainment news. Sweet Home Season 3 was not most buzzworthy K-drama and is only sinking further. Meera Rajput daughter Misha leaves Shahid Kapoor and Jane behind for magical Taylor Swift concert in Munich. Now some of the sport news. Balraj Panwar finishes 5th in rowing single scull quarter out of medal race at Paris Olympic. Second, Manu Bhaker strides with history in Paris, become first Indian to win multiple medals at a single Olympic game. Now some of the educational news. Over 22,000 students score perfect marks in CUET UG 2024. Tamil Nadu SSLC supplementary result to be out on 30th of July. Now some other news. MK Stalin announces Rupee 5 crore fund to Kerala government as landslide hit Wayanad. Let's meet after a short break. Let's see these news headlines in detail. Starting with some of the school news. In view of traffic congestion owing to Kavaria in the sacred month of Sawan, the school will remain closed on Monday and open on Sunday. Second, the unit test examination from class PG to class 12, which is started from 23rd of July, finally ended on 30th of July. Now some of the CBSE related news. The Ministry of Skill Development and the Entrepreneurship in association with the Central Board of Secondary Education has announced the launch of the Youth Ideathon. The responsibility for conducting NEET was handed over to the NTA, an agency specifically created to handle national level entrance exam. Despite its intended benefit, NEET has faced significant opposition and the controversy since its inception. Now some national news. 13 cases of Zika virus, 3 from Karnataka and 10 from Maharashtra were reported till July 22. This year, Minister of State for Health Anupriya Patel told the Rajya Sabha on 30th of July. Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal on 30 July said there is no rethinking in the government to support foreign direct investment FDI from China, as was pitched by the Economic Survey recently. Now some of the international news. Jailed former PM and Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf PTI founder Imran Khan has approaches on anti-terrorism court. He is seeking bails in 12 cases linked to last year's May 9 riot, a media report said on Tuesday. Second, the pool of candidates to become the running mate of Kamala Harris and the presumptive Democratic US presidential nominee narrowed on Monday. Now some of the entertainment news. Despite the return of beloved South Korean actor Lee Do-yoon to the ensemble mix, audience lost touch with the Netflix Sweet Home storyline in season 3. Meera Kapoor recently attended Taylor Swift Munich concert with her 7-year-old daughter Misha. Recently, Meera often posts her fun pictures on Instagram. Now some of the sport news. India's sole representative in the event, Paris Olympic, finished second in the repechage of men's single scull. Second, Manu Bhaker won a bronze medal in the 10-meter air pistol as well as another bronze medal in the 10-meter air pistol shooting at the 2024 Summer Olympic at Paris. Now some educational news. 22,000 candidates achieved perfect score across 45 subjects in CUET exam 2024. The result of Tamil Nadu SSLC 2024 had been announced on 30th of July for class 10. Now some other news. After massive landslide hit Wayanad, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin on Tuesday announced 5 crore financial assistance to the Kerala government. Besides, 2 senior IAS officers of the Tamil Nadu Cabinet have been appointed to assist in carrying out rescue and the relief operation. That's all for today. Thank you and stay connected with RES News Channel.